Hi, I'm Jack from legalexpert.co.uk. We are personal injury claims specialists. We're open 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, and we offer a no-win, no-fee service. Today, I'm going to be taking a look at acid and chemical burns injury recovery. We'll go over some steps that we recommend you take, as well as looking at information provided by the NHS in regards to dealing with an acid and chemical burn injury. If you have any questions or requests, let us know in the comments, and if you like this video, please do hit that thumbs up button, as this will help us see what type of content people find helpful. If you or someone you know has been involved in an accident involving chemicals that resulted in burns and it wasn't yours or their fault, but was down to the negligence of others, you should bear in mind that you or they may be entitled to compensation. In order to bring a claim for compensation, we recommend that you speak to a personal injury claims specialist that has experience in dealing with burn injury claims. The good news for you is that legalexpert.co.uk offers a completely free, zero obligation consultation where we'll talk through your injury with you in order to help you establish what your options are. You can speak to us by calling our free phone helpline on 0800 652 7676 or by visiting our round-the-clock live chat service at legalexpert.co.uk. We're open 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, so you can speak to us whenever you'd like. Burns caused by acid, alkaline or caustic chemicals can be very damaging, and the NHS advise that these types of burns need immediate medical attention. You should call 999 and request an ambulance. According to nhs.uk, they advise that after calling 999 to help prevent severe injuries from a chemical burn, try to carefully remove the chemical and any contaminated clothing. Rinse the affected area using as much clean water as possible. Remove the chemical and affected clothing. Try to remove the chemical and contaminated clothing from contact with the skin and eyes, but be very careful not to spread or touch the chemicals, as they could lead to further injury to the victim or the person helping them. Use gloves or other protective materials to cover hands, and if possible, carefully cut away clothing such as t-shirts rather than pulling them over the head. Do not wipe the skin, as this may spread contamination. If the chemical is dry, brush it off the skin. Rinse continuously with clean water. Rinse the affected area continuously with clean water as soon as possible to remove any residual chemical. Try to make sure that the water can run off the affected area without pooling on the skin and potentially spreading the chemicals to a wider area. Only use water. Do not rub or wipe the area. Stay on the phone until the ambulance arrives and follow any other advice given by the 999 call handler to avoid further injury. If the burn is severe, you may be referred to a specialist burns unit, which may be in a different hospital. You may have to stay in hospital for a number of days. You may need surgery to remove the burns area of skin and replace it with a section of skin, a graft, taken from another part of your body. More severe and deeper burns can take months or even years to fully heal, and you usually leave some visible scarring. In some cases, the depth and location of the burn may also lead to problems, such as sight loss or restricted use of limbs or muscles. If you've been involved in an acid or chemical accident which has resulted in burns and you believe that you're entitled to compensation, we'll be more than happy to hear from you. You should bear in mind that if you're successful in your claim for compensation, the cost of any private treatment should be covered, as well as any loss of income from time off work, which may be claimed back for when bringing a claim for compensation. If we take your case on, we'll be more than happy to put you in touch with a medical specialist in order to further aid your recovery, and aim to get you on in your area so that you're not having to go out of your way should you require any further treatment, such as a dermatologist. Of course, the circumstances of each incident are never the same, and whether or not you believe you have a valid claim, it's always advisable that you speak to an expert on the matter. So if you'd like further assistance, we are personal injury claims specialists. We offer free, friendly advice on no-win, no-fee compensation claims, so there's not a penny to pay if you lose. Get the maximum compensation that you deserve. We're rated 4.8 out of 5 stars, and we have specialist solicitors with up to 30 years experience. It'll only take just a couple of minutes for our team, who'll be happy to answer any questions you may have to help establish whether or not you have a valid claim. Call now on 0800 652 7676 or visit our live chat service at legalexpert.co.uk. Don't forget to subscribe, as we'll be uploading helpful videos just like this one on a regular basis. You can also check out one of our recommended videos or head over to legalexpert.co.uk, where you can read community questions on our forum, get free advice from our live chat, read articles and seek assistance for compensation on a no-win, no-fee basis with your personal injury claim.